Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is 5 ways earning money sharing link web paint. 5 ways to make money by sharing links online 2021. Discourse this articles my content affiliate links. They are links to product and service that I recommended you click and these link and sign up by once these product or service will earn commission from it. No addicted course you are sharing links improvement to keeping the internet alive that is there are for internet inquiry earn money simply by sharing links online. If you already on social media you are my already to by copying and posting links to your profile picture often so we not make some extra focus doing in fast you can make passive income by sharing links which means all you have to do leaving your links out these to other people you are can earn money weeks, months or even years. With the being said, I am going to sharing with and your 5 ways to you can make money just by sharing links with others. It's the end. I give free tips. I come sharing links. You can grab more content and click without for text with these fiber methods we go quick negative first and advertiser your link start a personal account fund happy offer to show others what is the how to get started promote products in affiliate what is affiliate marketing how to get started sell your own product website start selling start owner final words link sharing tip where to sharing links condition worth your like earn up 1000 to 1000 $100,000 at to 1000 a day or so. First ad advertising your link benefit a emotional note add some short advertisement and front your links that we allow you can earn later money where some clicks target the links and see the quick ad fact you make come access you this get of ads you will click on links and try again content this ad usually very short around 5 seconds is afterward the ad should display of escape button should be available the views click to more contents they are several website we get straight short string your link having place And them here something explained air fly out cost short list. Now these are two kids words of warning I should tell you about before you start. I make sure you do not sign up as advertiser, other sign up as publisher or create status account to be available to share get link earn money by sharing from to become real full. These are some viral short term website that's scammer. The website does not invent any about it and this the link because advertising and show website the advertiser and you can make money. Number two, start a hardroom account. The work is because you are always creation video or posted online if you fans who enjoy what you have sharing social media. You can monetize work started free account. After you can complete your profile, you can creation membership, try gear to the theme a price tag and less work friendly special content to create industry of trial. The fact that you can provide exchange content behind membership, try what is draw some your fans join just make source keep your price low. That's great chance to see your fans and supporters. While set up a membership trials industry get your funds to go perfect using link just copy and paste into your next social media post YouTube video because source test one what is expected. Number three, fancy PA offering show to others. User visit your website, click in affiliate link, follow out complete action, your name money. What is affiliate market? How to get started? 5 selling on your product website start online store. Or subscribe my channel, like subscribe my channel for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.